freaking video. So today I will just be doing a unboxing video with y'all and just basically telling you where I bought this hair from or whatever. Don't mind my background because as y'all know, I do a lot of stuff as in making tutus and lip gloss business and you know all this other stuff that I do. But anyways, yes, let's get into the video. So I just got this in the mail today from Dong H Hair. Okay, so I bought this hair wholesale price because I just wanted to know what was like good quality, what's good, some good cheap quality hair here. I can tell you right now. Okay, I'm hoping that these bundles is so small because let me just open it up. Okay, so I ordered 3 bundles of straight hair because that's what I wanted, and I was going to make a wig up out of this hair. Smells like plastic. Don't buy this hair. I don't look. You can't. Okay, I'm not trying to. I hate weave that have a lot of flyaways. Like, my bundle shouldn't have this many flyaways when it's only a 14-inch. But they claim that it's unprocessed hair. They lying. You can just tell it don't even feel like natural 100% human hair. It feels like mixed hair. That's what it feels like. For one, the bundles is just so freaking small, and in the video you really, I don't know, in the video if y'all can tell, like, it's bullshit. Like, why is it so skinny at the bottom but thick at the top? Like, what bullshit is this? I'm talking like I already, you know, put the hair in my head. But all the bundles is like super small. Like, what the you would need 6 of these bundles just to get a thick head full of hair. Like, this is bullshit. So as y'all know, if y'all watched any of my other review videos, y'all will see that I always put the hair in my head before I even give y'all a review of the hair. And this is really my first time doing an unboxing video with y'all. But like I said, this hair is really just too thin. These bundles is just, the bundle size look decent, but then once you look at the hair, it's just too thin. It's too thin. The bundles is too thin. So I think for my little small head, as y'all can see, I don't know if y'all can tell, but I got a small head. This a wig, boo-boo. This the wig, this the blonde wig that I had. But and I just dyed it. I don't know, y'all can tell. Y'all like the little style that I did. I just like cramped the 2 little front pieces. This one followed down already because I didn't put no spricks or anything on it. I just wanted to see how it's gonna look or whatever, and I really like this style, boo. I'm finna really do my hair over and like make it look all fresh and clean and shit. But yeah, so for 3 bundles of weave wholesale, I paid $50 for 3 bundles at wholesale price. And the reason why I wanted to try out this hair, because like I said, I just want to give y'all varieties of videos, and I also want to give y'all decent weave that y'all can buy at a decent price. This weave that I have in my head right now, I had bought it from, I'm gonna let y'all know when I edit the video. I'm gonna tell y'all. But I love this weave. This is my This is my second time dyeing this weave, and it's really doing really good. Holds up really good and everything. I like this weave, and I'll probably end up buying another wig from them. So, what the fuck is this? It's lint. But this is how the bundles look. Like I said, they look like thick, healthy bundles until you raise it up. It's just like very thin. And I don't like all these flyaways. Ew. Ew. I don't even know if y'all can see it, but oh my gosh, it has so many flyaways. But I can't tell y'all, you know, if it would tangle, if it fall out or anything, because like I said, this is an unboxing video and I don't know nothing about this hair at all. This is my first time purchasing this hair or whatever, and I will let y'all know how it goes once I do my wig. I'm making my wig sometime this week, like once I get caught up on my orders. Just to let you know, I do sell whip body scrub, I sell whip body butter, I sell bath bombs, and I sell lip gloss and everything on my site at www.embraceheritage.com. It's all natural. So if y'all want to go in there, look around, purchase something. And I also make labels if y'all want to check that out, and I also do wholesale. Hold on, just to show y'all a few of my lip glosses. This is one of them called Sunburst. This is Carrylicious. Don't mind the different labels because I redid my labels. This is Lily. This one right here is called Princess. Very pretty. The one that I have on, the one that I have on is called Mama Mocha. But yeah, let's get back to the video. They sent me some eyelashes. You see this? You see my eyelashes? I don't need these. They sent me $1,000 free VIP selected service for only you. $1 discount. Bitch, which one? $1,000 on $1. Cause don't get my hopes up. I'm just playing. But this is what the card looked like. You are whatever this bullshit is with some black people on it. And what the fuck is this? Okay, this is a cap. Okay, y'all, this is a wig cap. I don't know what this is. It got 2 holes in it. I mean, unless you tie it at the top. Ooh, this a do-rag, y'all. This a do-rag. This a do-rag. This a do-rag. You know, something to keep your hair good at night, and you tie it at the top. I'm guessing that's what this is, y'all, because I know this not no wig cap, y'all. I know this not no wig cap. But yeah. That's all I really wanted to show y'all was this weave that I'm about to make a wig with. And I'm gonna let y'all know how this come out. Y'all probably see me with this hair in my head in a future video, because it's a lot of lint in this. It's a lot of these little things, lint balls in the weave. Don't listen to this. They lying, y'all. They lying. But I'll come back to y'all and let y'all know how everything went. And look at all these lint balls. But yeah, I'll let y'all know how everything went. Until then, peace out. Oh, don't forget to go check out my website. Peace out.